Going again. Okay, so let me get the whiteboard. There it is. There it comes. Okay, good. There it is. Okay, so again, right? So what we had was that we had just those three outcomes, right? We had ham, turkey, and what was the other one? Ham, turkey, I think chicken. Let me see. Ham, turkey, and chicken. Yeah. Okay, so again, I emailed you guys the worksheet, so you should have it in front of you. So there's only three outcomes we can actually have. We can have ham. Let me see, it's not coming out. Let me just see if I can fix this. It's odd. Oh, that's why I didn't. iPad. Okay. 1 second. My iPad has to get internet access, and that should do it. Oh, up there it is. There it is. Okay. Let me zoom in a bit, though. Bear with me. There it works. Okay, so we can have a ham sandwich, right? Okay, we can have turkey. Now again, essentially you're just choosing what sandwich to have. That's really all we're doing here. Okay, so there's only three elements in the sample space. We have ham, we have turkey. There we go. Okay. And we have chicken. So the sample space here is pretty small. Okay. The sample space there is pretty small. So unfortunately, that's really all it is. All right, let me get back to the, so that's what happens here. Okay, now, for the next problem, okay, get to that. Oh boy. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Go. So for the next problem here, right, the chess club must decide to meet for a practice. That's number 2 I'm doing, okay? The chess club must decide to meet for a practice. Okay? Now, okay, so again, the 3 days they're deciding from are the possible days, that is, a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So basically here, the outcome would be the day they decide to meet. Well, those are the 3 possibilities. So what they're telling you is the sample space would be really just those 3 days in it. So again, this is annoying. Let me stop this and share the whiteboard. Okay. So we have those 3 days. We have Tuesday. I'm just writing it as a set. That's all we're doing. Let me make sure. Yeah, you can see it. We have Wednesday. And we have Thursday. As you can see. That's it. Again, you could think of the experiment as deciding on which day to meet. Those are the possible days. So the sample space would be the possible days you're meeting. Okay, those first 2 were pretty simple. So let's move on to another example. Okay, now I gotta stop this again and share the, this is crazy. All right. So now we're gonna kick it up a notch, so to say, in number 3. So in number 3, it's with the chess club again. The chess club again is meeting for practice. Now the possible days are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but now what they're doing is they have to consider time. So they're also considering time, okay? That's what they're considering now as well. Okay, so for days, there's 3 outcomes, right? 3 possible outcomes. And for time, there's also 3 outcomes, right? So here, let me just write this down before I share my whiteboard. This is helping. So we have let me go back and share my whiteboard. Here we go. Okay, so we have this. So again, for the days, we have 3 choices, right? We have Wednesday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, right? So there are 3 choices for that. For time, there was 3 p.m., 4 p.m., or 5 p.m. as well, okay? So we have 3 choices. There we go. I'm trying to make the 3 look nice. Actually, let me make it better. There we go. Okay. So in this experiment, right, or experiment that is, right, we have to choose a day and a time. Okay, we have to choose a day and we have to choose a time. There are 3 choices for the first task, that is to choose a day. There are 3 choices for the second task, which is time. How many choices are there going to be by the counting principle? You type in the chat or just say it. Megan says 9. And she's right. You just multiply. Remember, by the counting principle, you're going to multiply. Okay, that's all you do. Right? There are 3 ways for the first task, which in this case is choosing a day. 3 ways for the second, which is choosing a time. You get 9. So now comes the fun part. Let's list all the outcomes. Okay. Let me just move it up a bit. Okay. So for here, right? So here we go. So what we have here is this. We have our day and time. So I'm going to list it this way. We have Tuesday at 3. That's an outcome, right? Meeting Tuesday at 3. What's another one? Meeting Tuesday at 4. That's a possible outcome. And meeting Tuesday at 5. That's another one. I'm trying to list it in a systematic way. I mean, I probably could use a tree. I think that might be too hard to write. So let's just do it this way. We also have Wednesday at 3, right? That's another one. We have Wednesday at 4 and Wednesday at 5. Right, so we're handling each, let me move it over. We're handling each outcome. Let's see if I can zoom out a bit. Okay, beautiful, good. Okay. And now that's Tuesday and Wednesday, but what about Thursday? Well, let's get to that. We have Thursday at 3, right? Excuse me, wait, what, no, TR. Thursday at 3, TR's Thursday. Thursday at 4, Thursday at 5. Great. Of course, I've run out of room. Wait, that is me here. Beautiful, there we go. And that's all the outcomes. And we have 9 as well, right? Those outcomes, those are the 9. Well, that's good. Okay. So those are all the outcomes. All right, now let me try the next one. Let me try the next one, but let me stop the recording. Okay.